why everything that I pour flies out. Hi guys, this is Phoebe. Welcome to our channel. We're Krazy Thursday and we would love to become your go-to source for hassle-free Korean food that tastes better than your Asian takeout. Guys, this is another ramen series that we have kicked off with our ramdom. Today we're gonna try a special kind of ramen. These look very foreign, but these are a Korean brand. This is a new niche brand that has come up recently and is becoming an internet sensation. So we thought, why not try it out? So today we brought 3 kinds of ramen. These are called the Wicked Ramen series. I'm gonna start off with the Volgole. This is the Volgole oil pasta. This is the ramen that tried to mimic that. We're gonna see later how similar it is to the actual pasta. 매운 볶음, which means that it's spicy stir-fried ramen. And this yellow, the cold vinegar flavor, guys, don't say yuck because we are actually really curious what the vinegar flavor is gonna taste like. Because of this guy, we just need a little bit of sesame seed oil, a little bit of clams, like 7 pieces for the Volgole. 1.5 milliliter of water, 1.5 liter. So let's get cooking. So first off, it says pour in 450 milliliter of water. I'm gonna get water for these 2 here. That's about 900 milliliters of water. We're gonna let it boil. There is the regular ramen noodles. And they have just 1 package of the sauce, powder sauce. It has some seashells, a lot of garlic. We're gonna wait.
Imagination.
I actually lost track of time. When 3 minutes passed, please let me know. It comes with these pepper flakes. It will be kind of interesting how this plays out. The clams have opened up. 3 minutes has passed. So I'm gonna take this out. This one's already done, guys. Transfer this into our bowl. Whoa. I think the noodles are relatively thin. They're thinner than the regular ramens. When we're done, we're gonna go and rinse this in cold water. Boil, 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 boil. So I'm only gonna rinse half because the one that needs rinsing is the noodles for the vinegar. Like I said, it's supposed to be cold. Okay, let's go. So right now, I'm gonna add, this is the spicy stir-fried flavor. Add the sauce. Guys, don't pour out all of the water. Leave about 8 tablespoons of water in here. Oh, it has a very spicy smell. Stir, stir, stir. Stir fry. Okay, let this sit here for a little while. So I'm gonna add the seaweed flake. I got it, flakes. I'm gonna give it a good stir one last time. Now this is ready to leave the pot. Wow, this looks so good. And I'm gonna finish this off with a little bit of sesame seed oil. Okay, now I'm gonna pour in the icy cold water, 200 milliliters, and I'm gonna add the noodles that's been sitting, it's quite cold. And last, I'm gonna add this vinegar sauce. Spicy sauce. I think this is similar to 막국수 that we eat at home. So you mix this with the sauce like this. And as a condiment, I'm gonna add same seaweed flakes. I don't know why everything that I pour flies out. Okay, we're done. We have finished our vinegar noodles, our spicy stir fry, and lastly, Volgole ramen. So let's go and do this taste test with Monica. Let's go. Hi. Okay, so we have Monica here with us today. We're gonna start off with local beer called Cloud. Rather common beer compared to our very uncommon ramen today, so we thought it was a good combination. 한 잔 받으세요. Cloud is known for their really creamy, what's this called? Foam. But actually, guys, I overdid it. I should have poured it with less foam in it. Thanks for joining me, Monica. So today we have our Volgole. This has been sitting in the back for about 5 to 10 minutes. So it has lost its soup. Oh my god. It has actually turned into a pasta, an actual pasta. It's turned a little sticky. But I think that actually says something about the powder that we put in, right? I think that turns the soup into a little bit of sticky texture.
Yeah, this is actually known as hangover soup.
But then it has no soup in it as of now. Do you like it? I think it's really good.
It's actually really savory, and the chili flakes on top makes it really spicy.
Overall soup is a little creamy, but I'm surprised at how garlicky this is though. So if you guys don't like garlic, maybe this is too strong, but if you are into garlicky pasta, this is really good for you. It's almost cheesy, right?
Yeah, it's actually really creamy.
So I think that's why it's also good for hangover, because your upset stomach will be flattened out by this. So number 2 is this cold vinegar noodles. I'm curious because like to begin with the yellow package and all, it was very interesting. I'm just curious what it would taste like, right? I'm gonna try the soup first. The vinegar doesn't come out that much.
It's actually not as sour as I thought it would be.
You like sour food, right?
Yeah, and you can kind of taste the chili powder in the soup.
It's pretty spicy.
Yeah, so if you guys like sour food, I think you can add a bit more vinegar.
Whoa, maybe she would. I think this is just good enough for me. So I think this is really similar to the makguksu, right?
Yeah.
Makguksu is this type of cold noodles in Korea where it usually comes in this kind of red soup, I guess. And it's pretty sweet also. So it's kind of that sweet and sourness that you would expect. Okay, round 3 is gonna be our spicy stir fry. I wonder if it has that chickeny stir fry taste or it's just very spicy like the 불닭볶음면. Have you guys tried 불닭볶음면? 불닭볶음면 has been an internet sensation as well. It's like the spiciness level is almost 10 times, right?
Probably.
Yeah, and you could actually feel your sweat coming out while you eat it because it's so spicy. Let's see. Let's try. You know how we drizzled a little bit of sesame seed oil? That's why the smell is amazing. I just want to dive right into it. I dropped it. It's like this. Let's try.
It tastes totally different from the 불닭볶음면 which we expected.
But it's actually quite spicy. I would say my spiciness tolerance level is about 5 from scale of 1 to 10 Korean level. And this is quite spicy. I think this is spicier than 신라면.
Yeah, so if you're not good with spicy food, I guess you can only put like 2/3 of the soup.
Oh yeah, maybe moderating the amount of the sauce packet would be a good idea. And I think I actually want to add like cheese to it. If we add like cheese and microwave it, it's also gonna be really good. But this is very savory, and because it's like spicy, you want more of it because it's very addicting. And the sesame seed oil, that's definitely a must, guys. I recommend it. Add it. And it's gonna bring out the flavor much more. It's it's quite spicy, guys. So, Monica, what do you think? Which one was your favorite?
For me, this one was my favorite. And then I'd go with clam one, and then the cold noodles.
Yeah, actually, this is very close. I really like both of them, but I think I like this one better because this is something that you can never get in like the regular ramen store, right?
Yeah.
This is something that they don't offer. So if you have to try out the Wicked Ramen series, I recommend this one. But this is also really good. I like this better than the 불닭볶음면. Not too spicy. I mean, it's spicy, but it's not like too much. But then it's also savory. This one, like,
I guess it's like an acquired taste.
Yeah, and also like you know naengmyeon, foreigners don't really like naengmyeon because naengmyeon is also an acquired taste. So like if you were to make this better, you would add vinegar. So I guess this one's like a tie, and then this one's like falling behind. This is a good number 3.
It doesn't mean it tastes bad.
Yeah, it doesn't mean it tastes bad, but like if you have to like number them, right? Just in case the owners of this brand are watching and they get mad. We like all of them, but we just like these 2 better. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed our video, and if you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, that is Phoebe and
Monica from
Krazy Thursday. Hope you have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.